So this is day 7 of my trade recaps. It's Wednesday, 21st of January 2026. As you guys know, yesterday was a pretty good day. I managed to pass more than 50% of my evil. Unfortunately today I lost it, and yeah, I'm going into that right now, and I'm also going to kind of talk about my thoughts on my approach of risk management, which I was also mentioning earlier in some earlier videos. But before we get into it, we want to kind of look at the daily bias, going over that right now real quick. So we closed pretty bearish, and we also still have this huge strong liquidity right here with our bearish yearly cycle SSMT, and we closed below the TCST. So shorts bear my bias right here, but coming to the session at 9 a.m. we already have taken out previous day's low, so we kind of expected a short reversal up higher for then to drop lower again, but unfortunately we went higher a lot. So for the week, I'm still bearish on the week, but today really my bias wasn't really there. And yeah, we didn't have any good cracks and correlations, so no SSMTs to really give that reversal up here or down here. We had a 5-minute, 90-minute cycle right here, but obviously this played out a bit too early. I went on the charts right here at 9 a.m. and we already had this confirmation right here, so I kind of want to wait. Also Trump was speaking, so I didn't want to risk too much, and on the market open went up higher, dropped a little bit. Let's see what the 1 minute gave us right here. So actually this was market open 9:30, and yeah, we literally already have taken out this liquidity over here, so I kind of expected the move lower, but I missed out on this micro SSMT. This also didn't give a clear clear rejection from the TCST, no retest at all, so I kind of waited. But this was the point where I tried to catch literal 1 minute candle and predict 1 minute candles to kind of high risk full port them and pass an evil fast. And this is really, I got some small wins, $200, $400, $300, but really down here, or I think it was down here, I entered short because I really thought we were bearish, but this was actually just a retracement. On the 5-minute we tapped that gap perfectly. Let's see, yeah, we kind of just tapped that gap right here, and then went up higher all the way until 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. So really kind of my approach of trading evils with high risk, it works. Yesterday it worked, but I really have to focus only trading setups when there are actually setups. So here we didn't have any micro, we didn't have any SSMT, we didn't have any cracks, so the market screams for a continuation higher obviously, but at that moment I didn't realize that. And also this was a Q3, so I kind of wanted to see another SSMT form between Q2 and Q3 of the micro cycle, and yeah, it formed real quick, but then it got invalidated pretty fast and we got this move higher. I wouldn't say it was a bad price reading today, but it was really bad execution. I just kind of wanted the 2-day pass of the account, so I went in with like a 4 contracts right here and just lost over 1.7k when price actually just reversed. And on these little candles right here I managed to make some profit, but really I wasn't focused at all, and yeah, I wasn't locked in. Overall, I see the progress from the last 2 weeks. This is something I want to mention, but really these little mistakes keep making me fail accounts over accounts. Yeah, so overall I lost about 1.7k. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, I blew an account obviously. And yeah, what do I take? What do I take as an advice or something like that? Really, just only focus on the high probable setups only when a model actually occurs, and don't get stressed and don't get in a hurry when you try to have the mindset of passing accounts fast. It's only the start of the year. I have a lot more time, so I really try to still pass the accounts fast, but not trying to pass them fast when there aren't actually any setups. So you have to kind of find the balance in here. So trading A plus setups, and maybe only taking this move right here, stops here, and only maybe taking this small move and this account passed. Or let's say I only got here after the inversion right here on the top, put this right here, go for this high, account passed, so really focus on setups that actually occur. Microcycle is perfectly for that, because really the 1 minute candles just give that move. You don't have to be right about the whole setup. Obviously this wasn't, if I was actually bearish here, you don't have to be right about the trade, but you don't have to be right about 3 or 4 1 minute candles, and this is the count passed. And this is definitely something I learned also today, and this is something I want to take with me. Yeah, focus on the good setups, but you don't have to be completely right. Just take the profit. Yeah, go in with like 3 minis, so kind of high risk still, but not randomly gambling, which I did right here. So still a bad day. It's kind of frustrating to lose the account after making such a progress yesterday, but overall it is something I learned again, and I'm looking forward to take another evil tomorrow. And if I'm really sticking to my rules, I can pass it tomorrow, and Thursday and Friday. But yeah, this is my kind of goal for the week. Stay focused, and really right risk management approach, but also only trading setups where there are actually setups. Something other I have to mention, maybe why I'm kind of failing at the moment, is I trade on iPad. I've got a live stream during the trading, so I have live stream on this side. Only kind of this window I got the live stream, and on this side I have TradeAway without any indicators. So at the moment I can't really use TradingView at my own, only maybe on mobile. And also I really don't like how the setup is going on right now. Maybe I just wait for next week, or maybe make a pause for the next 2 weeks until I really get my setup again, because obviously I think the setup which you're trading on is pretty important. I also switched to TradeAway because the Project X isn't working anymore for the futures prop firm, so I kind of don't know how to navigate fast, go in, go out fast, set my stop loss at the niveau. I also don't know how to actually see the price of the TP and SL on TradeAway when I set the actual take profit or stop loss. So it's all kind of not clean, not really ready. I think I feel not ready at the moment to really start, um, get the stone rolling, if I can say it like that. But yeah, overall I really see the progress, and I would say, without talking too much, this was a little deep talk right here at the end. And yeah, I see you in the next one.